Multiply 1170 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 7 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. The first partial product is 2340. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. The second partial product is 11,700. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 7 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 2 plus 1 plus the carried 1 is 4. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 14,040. So 1,170 times 12 is 14,040.